Welcome to our video about the latest trends in artificial intelligence technology for autonomous cars. Did you know that autonomous cars can now predict pedestrian movements and adjust accordingly? It's all thanks to AI technology that has been developed over the years. One of the most exciting areas of development is the use of deep learning neural networks. This technology allows the car to learn and interpret the driving environment in real time, making it more efficient and safer on the road. The impact of AI has already been seen in ride-sharing companies like Uber and Lyft. They're already developing autonomous cars that can drive themselves to pick up passengers. Another area of development is the use of LiDAR sensors, which provide a more accurate image of the vehicle's surroundings. Combined with AI, this technology can detect other vehicles, pedestrians, and even animals on the road, making it safer for everyone. Finally, one of the most exciting technologies in AI development for autonomous cars is machine vision. It allows the car to recognize traffic signals, road signs, and even read the road itself. This technology is incredibly advanced and can even identify and adjust to weather and light conditions. In conclusion, AI technology is revolutionizing the autonomous car industry. It's exciting to see what the future holds for AI and its role in making our roads safer. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for future updates on the latest tech trends.